Installing Jensen add-ins. Page 62, Section 3.7. A. Go to Google and search for Jensen add-ins. B. Click on the link Operations Research Model and Methods, maintained by the University of Texas at Austin. C. In the Operations Research Model and Methods Internet by Paul Q. Jensen, you see different operational research add-ins. Depending on the type of operating system, you can download the Jensen library, a zip file of approximately of 22.4 MB. E. Unzip the file, a folder at the specified location. Now open the MS Excel workbook and follow the steps shown in the video. File, More, Options, Add-ins, Manage, Excel Add-ins, Add-ins, Browse to the folder where you store the unzip file. Select LPIP_solver. Double-click. Repeat the same of MP_models. G. In case macros problem, go to the individual files, right-click on the file, go to the properties and select Unblock and press Apply. Restart the MS Excel workbook. Now you are to use Jensen add-ins for solving all kind of linear programming problems, which includes the linear integer programming problems.